How to fix ChatGPT file stream access denied. So hello guys, if you are using ChatGPT and when you tell ChatGPT about any PDF file or any other type of file to generate, and once it generated, when you click on it, it didn't download it. So how you guys can fix that? Or it says that access denied. So it works on Android, iPhone, same, or Samsung. The For fixing that, simply you need to hold on ChatGPT. Now here you guys will see I option, but in some devices you guys will see three dots. So simply click on that I option. Once you click on that, you guys will see permission, battery usage, storage usage. So simply click on storage usage. Here you guys will see clear cache, clear data. So simply click on clear cache. After that, go to Play Store. Here search for ChatGPT. Once you search for that, you will see update. So simply update that. If you guys are not seeing a update, simply uninstall ChatGPT or reinstall it. Once you update it, after that go to ChatGPT. Now for example, I told them that make PDF file, so it generated. I was facing that problem before. Now I will check it that it works or not. So simply click here. Now I will wait for some second. Here we go, our problem was fixed. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.